at the end. Now, what about pronunciation of this ordinal? Let's go together. Premier, 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 premier. Deuxième, deuxième, deuxième. But what do we say here? Second, second for masculine. If it's when you say what? Seconde, seconde, seconde. And we learn that second is usually used in a pair. Usually use second in a pair. The next, cinquième, 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 cinquième. Let's see now some examples in sentences. Some examples in sentences. This is my first time in Paris. This is my first time in Paris. This is my first time in Paris. In French, it will be what? C'est ma première fois à Paris. As we said, you drop the S. C'est ma première fois à Paris. He lives on the third floor. He lives on the third floor. Il habite au troisième étage. Il habite au troisième étage. She won the second prize. She won the second prize. Elle a gagné le deuxième prix. She won the second prize. Elle a gagné le deuxième prix. The 21st century is digital. The 21st century is digital. Le 21e siècle est numérique. Le 21e siècle est numérique. Let's see now some special cases and exceptions. Like we saw, we have second versus deuxième. Now, second or second implies only two options. La seconde main, that is the second hand. La seconde main, the second hand. Deuxième is used in sequences beyond two. For example, le deuxième jour. Le deuxième jour, the second day in a series. Le deuxième jour, the second day in a series. Now, Roman numerals are often used for centuries and monarchs. That Roman numerals are often used for centuries and monarchs. For example, Louis the 14th. Louis the 14th. In French, it will be what? Louis XIVe. Louis XIVe. Now, let's see a summary now of what we just taught. English and French. First, we said it will depend in French. If it's masculine, it is premier. Premier. If it's feminine, it is première. Première. Second, in English. In French, it will be what? Deuxième. Deuxième. Second. Second. In the deuxième, second. That is masculine. If it is feminine now, deuxième does not change. You still have deuxième, deuxième. But second now we change. You have to add the E. Seconde. Seconde. Now third, masculine you have troisième. Same also in feminine. Troisième, troisième. Fourth, same also. Quatrième in masculine. Quatrième, quatrième in feminine. Quatrième. Now fifth, Same also. Cinquième, masculine. Cinquième, feminine. 6, 6. Sixième, sixième, sixième. 7, 7. Septième, septième. 7, septième, septième. If, if. Huitième, 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 huitième. Ninth, ninth. Neuvième, 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 neuvième. Tenth, tenth. Dixième, 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 dixième. Let's go now with our final notes on ordinals. French ordinals must agree in gender and number, unlike the English language. Premier is the only ordinal with a distinct feminine form. This is the only one where you have premier for masculine and then première for feminine. Second is optional but often used in pairs. When you're having pairs, instead of using deuxième, you can decide to use second if it's masculine or seconde in case of feminine. Thank you for paying attention. The next lesson now we are going to touch how we tell time in English. Once again, thank you for paying attention to the lesson.